Hello, my name is Maciej Kujawowicz. I'm from Trismer Technologies. Today I'd like to show you the preview of Qt for BlackBerry PlayBook, or to be more precise, for the QNX operating system. Information about the sport you can find on two places. First one is a wiki page at qtproject.org/QNX. You can find here information how to get started with Qt for BlackBerry. I mean, how to download and install BlackBerry native development kit, which is required to build your applications for BlackBerry, and also to build Qt for BlackBerry PlayBook. Here is information how to configure your host and your target device. I mean, how to obtain signing keys from BlackBerry, how to create a debug token, which is required to install your applications on BlackBerry PlayBook in the development mode. You can also find information how to prepare the environment and how to build the Qt from the source code. You have to build it by yourself because currently a binary package of Qt for BlackBerry is not available for users. But it's quite simple process. I haven't tried it on Windows, but you shouldn't have much trouble on macOS and Linux. Here is information how to create your first Hello World application, and also how to modify your current Qt applications to run on BlackBerry PlayBook. Also, there is information how to create an installation package, I mean a bar file descriptor, which is required to build an installation package. And also there is information how to install this package on the device. Second place is a repository of Qt for BlackBerry at github.com. github.com/blackberry/Qt. Also, here is a source code of Qt for BlackBerry, but also there's a download section where you can find also some preliminary documentation about how to get started with Qt for BlackBerry, but also there are some packages with the source code of Qt for BlackBerry. So if you don't want to use Git, you just can download any of these packages and uncompress on your host device. I recommend you to use Qt from the repository at Gitarius, mostly because I believe this repository is most up to date. I have used this one, also I've used all others, and I believe this is the best one for users to test Qt for BlackBerry. So, like I said, I recommend you to clone this repository using Git. Alright, I will not show you all these steps today because many of them are described in this manual. I will focus maybe on some steps which maybe will help you with porting your applications on. Some steps will make you this porting maybe easier. First of all, I'd like to show you how to use this port with the Qt Creator. Although the Qt Creator is not completely integrated and not fully integrated with this port, but still you can use it. But you have to just follow additional steps, and I will just try to show you how to configure your project to use this port, and how to use Qt Creator with this port of Qt. Alright, so I'm opening Qt Creator. First of all, I already have my Qt built on my machine, so I will just go to the next step. I mean, I will add this Qt to my preferences in Qt Creator. Okay, I'm selecting Add. Here is my Qt build for BlackBerry. Alright, I have here this directory Qt QNX ARM. Alright, I'm selecting QMake. I have my new Qt version added to the Qt creator. I will change its name to Qt for QNX. It will be much easier to find it. Alright, first of all, you cannot select toolchain for this Qt version currently. But you may have some trouble with that if you don't have already configured toolchain for the ARM processor. I already have, in this case, Harmattan target, so I already have the toolchain for ARM, so I think I will be able to compile for the QNX operating system as well. Okay. Now I can just open any of our projects and continue with that. I will select one of our applications. In this case, it will be Board. It's an application already developed and ported to MeeGo and Symbian operating systems. And right now, I'll show you how to build it for BlackBerry PlayBook. Okay, I'm opening the project. And now I have to add new target for this project. In this case, I need to add desktop target. I know it's confusing, but like I said before, Qt Creator is not completely integrated. It's not fully integrated with this port, so right now it is referenced via desktop target. Alright, so I have my target. I have selected Qt for QNX, which is okay. Alright, and I can try to build this application. Okay, I have first problem, QNX target environment variable not set. Okay, to fix this problem, we have to go back to the project settings and build environment, and I will have to modify this environment. Mostly because this port requires the native development kit to compile the application, but the development kit is not hasn't been found by this port, so I have to configure the environment to use this NDK. Okay, I already have noted this missing configuration variables. First one is QNX host. I have to add this variable to my settings. Okay, and it should point to my NDK. I'm doing this on Mac OS, so in this case this is path at developers SDKs. Of course on Linux it will be a different directory. Alright, second variable is QNX target. Alright. And it should point in this case to different directory, but still in the NDK. Alright, so I have my these new variables added to the configuration. I can try to build again. Alright, one more problem. GCC is not found. Like I said, this port does not use any toolchain configuration from the Qt Creator, so I have to modify a path variable for this project, and in this case I have to add one more directory. Okay, so I have my path, as you can see, and I'm adding one more path, one more directory at the beginning. Alright, so my configuration is now okay, I believe, so I can try to compile the application. Everything seems to work fine, so okay, so I can follow to the next step. Like I said before, we need to create an bar description file. Everything is described in this manual. So the description of the bar file descriptor is an XML file where you can describe your application. I mean, you have to define ID of your application name, etc. But also you define what files you should, the package should include, and what files should be installed on the device. We have to deploy Qt libraries along with the binary of the application, because of course it's obvious that Qt is not available on the device at the moment. So I can follow to this step, and I will show you this bar descriptor for our application. Okay, already I have prepared this file. I have the one here, but I have to show you one more thing. I decided to build the installation package automatically during the build process. So I added one more trick to the project file. I added one more call using the qpost-link command. You can see here. qmake postlink is simple solution when you want to call something during the building process. I mean, as the last command of the application link process. In this case, when the application is correctly linked, I'm calling one more command. In this case is BlackBerry native packager. This application is used to build, to prepare an installation package. Okay. In this case, I'm calling this native packager with some parameters. I mean, to create application for the development mode, to use my debug token, which I already have on my host machine, and also to prepare a package with the name taken from the target, and also to use my bar descriptor XML. Alright, so like I said before, this command will be called automatically as the last command during the build process, so I can show you right now. As you can see, now everything is being compiled. Alright, and as the last command, native packager will be executed. Alright, we have time to show you something. Okay, and this is the bar descriptor itself for this application. Like I said before, already have configured for this application, so you have the ID of the application, name, version, etc. And also, like I said before, now you can see that the last command executed was okay, once again, right, the last command was BlackBerry native packager. So package has been created. Great. So going back to the bar descriptor, of course I have also some assets. I mean files added to the installation package and files which will be installed on the device. Of course, there is a binary of the application, there is a splash screen, there is icon of the application. Splash screen and icon is mandatory, I mean it's required to build and install your application. Also, this is described in the documentation. One more information important: icon must have specific dimensions. I mean, 86 by 86 pixels, and the splash screen should be 1024 per 600 pixels. Alright, so again back to the bar descriptor. Also, I have all Qt libraries from my Qt build. I used one more trick because the installation package is built automatically during the build process, so I can use some variables, environment variables. In this case, I'm using Qt-dir. In this case, it points to the directory where the build of Qt resides, so I can automatically take these libraries from my compilation directory. So I don't have to copy anything to my the directory of the project. Okay. One more information for you. First of all, not everything currently is available. I mean, not everything works correctly in this port. First of all, there are some problems with the WebKit at the moment, or at least I had problems with the WebKit at the moment. Applications crash with this library. Also, I believe Qt Mobility is not available as well. But still, many of these libraries already works, and I mean you can easily compile and check your applications on BlackBerry PlayBook. If you have some problems, I mean, for instance, Qt requires from you some environment settings on the device, you can add these settings also to the bar descriptor. In this case, I'm adding three variables to the environment: Qt plugin path, QML import path, and LD library path. You may add, for instance, additional directory filters for fonts, so you can add this variable using also bar descriptor. Alright, so like I said before, package is created, so you can try to install it on the device. But of course, not everything is ready for this process. First of all, you have to configure your device. In this presentation, I will show you how to install your application, I mean, how to communicate with the BlackBerry PlayBook using Wi-Fi. In the documentation, everything describes how to use it with the USB communication, but I still believe that Wi-Fi is much easier. So I will show you how to perform this process with the Wi-Fi. Alright, so I'm going to my device. Okay, let me switch it on. Alright, sorry for the low quality of the video. First of all, let me see what is configured. Wi-Fi is on, the device is connected, so I can try to see what is the IP address. I will use this information later. Alright, IP address is, as you can see here. Of course, this is for my BlackBerry PlayBook. In your case, it will be different. Alright, I will use this IP during the next process. First of all, I have to enable the development mode on this device. So I go to the security settings, development mode. As you can see, development mode is off, so I have to enable it. It asks me to set a new password for the device. Okay, for this presentation, I will use 123. I believe you should use something more difficult to find out. Okay, and the development mode is on. But now it's still I cannot install my application because I have to install a debug token. Debug token, like I said before, is already prepared on my device. You have to create by yourself using signing keys from BlackBerry. So you have to request for this for these signing keys, and then you have to create your debug token. I already have mine. In this case, on Mac OS, it should be at Library Research in Motion. Alright. The command which installs debug token is quite simple. It is the same application which installs applications on the device, but you have to call with different parameters. As you can see, BlackBerry deploy, install debug token. Alright, I will call this function, this application. I have to, first of all, I have to configure my environment to use these commands from the NTK. So I will call on Mac, it should be like this, SDKs, right. Alright, so now I can call BlackBerry install debug token. I'm using my debug token from library search emotion debug token. Additional parameters are device IP and my password. Alright. Result success means debug token is installed. We can check it on the device. As you can see, debug token is installed indeed. Alright, so we can just go to the next step. I mean, the device is ready for our applications. So I can go to the directory of our application. As you can see, I'm using shadow build in Qt Creator. So in this case, my application, the installation package is in the directory of build. So in this case, it will be board build desktop Qt for QNX. Alright, and I have to call the same application but different parameters, and it should be here. Sorry, this is the last one. Right, install app. Alright, okay, I can select also this parameter. Device, IP address of the device. This is my Wi-Fi IP address of the device. Of course, the password and name of the package. The installation package is quite large, of course, mostly because it includes the whole binaries of Qt. But of course, I believe in future versions of BlackBerry PlayBook, Qt will be already installed on the device, so these problems will not exist. But at the moment, you have to deploy Qt with your application as well. Alright, it's almost done. Alright, application is installed, so I can check it on the device. As you can see here, there's an icon, so I can try to run it. Great, splash screen works fine. Alright, I think we have some trouble. As you can see, application is displayed but not on the full screen. Mostly because we have to add one more change to the project. You have to modify our main CPP file. Because QML viewer, in this case, this application includes both Qt and QML code. So I'm using here QML viewer. QML viewer is not fully integrated. It doesn't support fully this target, BlackBerry PlayBook, so it doesn't show the application in full screen. So you have to change at the moment one more method. We cannot call show expanded. We have to call show full screen. Alright, I believe in future versions of Qt Creator this also will be fixed. Alright, so I'm building the application again. As you can see, BlackBerry native packager is automatically called as we want it. Alright, so I have to now deploy this package again. And still, one more time, we have to wait a while. Okay, during this process, I will tell you one more thing. At the moment, it's not that easy to debug your applications on BlackBerry PlayBook. the one method which I found describe it is to investigate the log file on the device. And also it is not very simple way to access this log file, and I will show you how to access this one later. Alright, let me see. Alright, application is installed again, so I can call it one more time. Okay, splash is still okay. Alright, great. Now application is full screen. It works great. You can select different colors. Excellent. Multi-touch is working as well perfectly. Okay, now I'll show you how to investigate the log file of this application. In this case, I also have must use some application from the BlackBerry NDK. In this case, it will be BlackBerry Connect. I mean, I can connect to the device using SSH, but like I show you, without Dev Connect, without the BlackBerry Connect, the access is forbidden. Okay. Okay, connection refused. All right. So, like I said, I have to establish the communication channel for the SSH using BlackBerry. Let me see what parameters I should use. Okay, just IP address and password. Also, you may have to add your RSA key for this application, but on my machine this key is automatically used from my default path. Okay, so like I said before, SSH key is sent to the device, and now SSH channel is established, so I can use SSH to connect to this host. So I'm connecting with SSH with user dev user. Alright, okay, it's not in my non-hosts. Probably I used this device before, so I have to go to my... Okay, I will quickly remove sorry. Okay, right, okay, and I will try to connect again. Yes, my new host. Okay, now I'm connected to the device, so I can try to investigate the log file. Log files are located in the following location: accounts 1000, and now app data. Okay, there are directories for different applications. In this case, it will be Trismer board. Alright, and here you can find all files for the application. Also, there is a directory logs where you can find the log file. This is the log file for the application. So any output from QML or Qt you can investigate in this file. Alright, there are some warnings from Qt, as you can see. So this is the one way which I know actually how to investigate and how to debug your applications on the device, but it is very helpful. For instance, if you want to try your application for the first time, for instance, if there are some missing libraries, please note that the list of libraries which you can find in the manual is not complete. I mean, you may also need plugins, for instance, to use JPEG files or different graphic files, and PNG is already supported, but different formats may not be supported without some additional plugins. Also, you may also add some files for QML. I mean, to import some libraries for QML. So if your application does not start, the best idea is to check this log file and to investigate what's the problem is. Okay, so in this short preview, I showed you how to start using Qt for BlackBerry PlayBook. My first impression is that this port is really impressive. I think it's quite promising. Applications work smoothly. Like I said before, multi-touch is fully supported, OpenGL as well. So I just recommend you to start porting your applications to this platform as well. Another port for Qt, which is great. So thank you for your audience, and please visit our website for next presentations and next previews. Thank you very much.